Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing a zippo. This is a 1937 zippo. So yeah, it's got a name on it. It's engraved. I think I'll use the grasshopper. I'm gonna use the Spatico grasshopper. Nice little mouth. So this here. I didn't cover up my address, so don't Google it. Wow, that's sharp. And to the other side. Okay. There we go. The zipper. And nothing else. Okay, so it doesn't say what type of zippo it is. It just has the Zippo Vintage Series 1937, and it's got a screw there. But no, I've never had one of these boxes. So here we go. Oh, that's nice. So it has a name on it. I'm just not sure how to get it out of this box. As you can see, it is a brushed brass 1937 replica. Polished brass on the sides, and just another brushed brass on the back, with the two slashes, the two lines engraved on it, with my name engraved on it. Yep, guys, that's my name, Michelle. Or at least that's what my family calls me. Oh wow. Kind of would have used the insert in it. Not really happy with that. Wow, this guy is really annoying me, because that kind of looks used. I'll have to just clean that up myself. So it is made in C of 02. Wow, that's a long time ago. So C, I can't be bothered. So yeah, made in USA 2032695. Yeah, so there it is, guys. Just that, but it does look like it has a used insert, like when you spark it. I'll just have to clean that up myself. But apart from that, no. Wow, there's some stuff on this. Must be marked. But there it is, guys. Polished brass on the side. Really nice lighter. Thanks for watching, guys. And here we are. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and no rude comments, please. Well, I mean, if you want to, you can. But